First by the ocean, up the east coast, what a road trip. Now that interstate is paved with memories of a past life I lived when I was 18. And every winter I think back to what we used to be in that past life we lived.
One day I met from 1970, gave me a call. He had dirty blonde hair and compared to me he's pretty tall. He had lime green eyes and bigger hands I wish that I could hold. And we'd spend late in the evening talking on the telephone. He's so full of himself and he likes making sadistic jokes. But there's something that I'm so in love with in the way he smiled, and the way he draws, the way he sings along to his guitar. If only the distance between us wasn't so that goddamn far. When I'm talking to him, that's the happiest I'll ever be. And he makes me feel so special, I love it whenever he compliments me. Tries to hide the fact that he's obsessed with me. Went through trouble sending me flowers from 1970.
She's feeling kinda dirty when she's dancing with him, forgetting what she told me by the water fountain.
Now he's grabbing her hips and pulling her in, kissing her lips and whispering in her ear. And she knows that she shouldn't listen, and that she should be with me by the water fountain.
Baby, you look happier, you do. I knew one day you'd fall for someone new. But if he breaks your heart like lovers do, just know that I'll be waiting here for you.